It's that time again, people. The end of one month, beginning of the other. You know what that means. Loot Crate. Welcome back to yet another In Defense of the Awkward Moment Loot Crate unboxing. Anticipatory of this month's Loot Crate. It's supposed to be filled with all kinds of really, really great stuff. It appears to be filled with a car. Not sure what that means, but I'm sure we'll find out before everything is said and done. First up on the list is yet another wonderful t-shirt. Oh, this is kind of cool. Stark.
Nice.
Yeah, Stark Motor Racing. Doubtless a callback to Iron Man 2 and the wonderful revelation of the suitcase suit, which I believe is the, like Mark 5? Mark 6? I don't know. I lost track of them all, but yeah, cool shirt. Next up on the list, we have a metal Batman keychain. So this looks like it's an automotive-themed Loot Crate. Ooh, it's a clear box. Let's see what this keychain actually looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's a metal Batwing keychain. Excuse me. You can kind of see the details of it there. It's cute. Definitely not something I would ever want to put in my pocket because it would be pointy. But there it is. It's a keychain. Next up on wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Next up on the list is a collectible hood ornament, a Loot Crate exclusive, and it is it's from Arrow. From Arrow and the Flash. Okay, so it's a hood ornament. We're reaching here. It's a hood ornament. It's the Flash. It's designed to go on the hood of your car like that. There's one for the Flash and one for the Arrow. Someone will definitely come along and pitch this. Next up on the list. It's a 67 custom Mustang. It's Eleanor. It's a Hot Wheels themed Loot Crate. That's cute. The customary loot pins for this month in the form of a squealing smoking tire. And we have a Battlestar Galactica Cylon Raider, which has what to do with cars, I don't know. Kind of missed the box. Kind of missed the mark here, guys. I'm not sure what's going on there. And last but certainly not least, apparently there are parts to put this together to form some kind of a vehicle. Okay, so this crate is a speed crate. I'm not going to bother going into this, but in the bottom of the Loot Crate, it's cute. Very, very cute. I have to say, this may be the first Loot Crate that I'm like kind of sort of legitimately disappointed in. The stuff is cheaper than usual, and there's really only one thing in here that kind of made me go, ooh, and that was the Start t-shirt. Yeah. I suppose they can all be great loot crates. Thanks for tuning in. Come back at the end of October, early November for the October 2016 loot crate.